Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use an order from a Taoboa app. So first go App Store and basically download the app. Then what you need to do here is to simply open it, right? And you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now, but in Chinese, like this. So first what you need to do here, you need to press on the top right, bottom right, and just create an account. And once you have an account, then you need to press on the gear icon here, then press on the fifth option, and then press on the second option here, and then you should see English language. If you do not see English language, you need to use VPN to basically connect to Singapore or Hong Kong. I use Privado VPN. It costs $2 a month. I can leave the link in the description and you can sign up through me. Or simply any free VPN and just connect to Singapore or Hong Kong. And once you connect to Singapore or Hong Kong, you just need to press on the bottom right, then press on this little world icon here, and then change language to English, right? As you can see here, everything here in English, and then you just need to find the product and then use like a normal app. Just add to cart, and once you're satisfied with your option, select option. As you can see here, you need to select color. As you can see, it's added to cart. And if I go back here and open my cart, here, we need to wait for a couple of seconds. And once you're in the basically payment method, you just need to switch to global, because Singapore will not be allowed. And then you just need to press on the button here, fill out your address, basically select your payment, and yeah, you can buy with Taoboa. So if I help you out, please press like.